Okay, so Mr. LeBron, how high do you think your rocket's gonna go in the air?
Probably like 2 feet.
Okay.
Probably.
So, how much air are you putting in that rocket?
Water?
No, air.
Air?
Yeah.
The majority. Or 65 so it doesn't blow up. 65
right.
PSI.
Cool. So, do you have faith in your rocket?
Do I have faith in my rocket?
Yeah.
Well, it knows who it is, so yeah.
Alright. Thank you for speaking with us, Mr. LeBron. Okay, hello, Mr. Hernandez. So, how high do you think your rocket's gonna go?
Higher than the Empire State Building.
Oh, well, that's pretty high. Okay, so how much air are you gonna put in this rocket?
200.
200 psi? Alright, so, do you have faith in your rocket?
No.
So you think your rocket's not gonna go higher than the Empire State Building? But it's cool.
I hope it does, but yeah. Probably not.
Alright then. So, thanks for speaking with us, Mr. Hernandez. Okay, so do you think your rocket will go high?
Oh yeah, I think it'll go like 200, like easy, bro.
Oh, okay. So, how much PSI do you think you're gonna be?
How much
air do you think you're gonna? How much air do you think you're gonna be putting in that?
I think 60, man. Like
60 PSI?
70's too pussy, man.
Oh, okay then. So, what did you think of Matt's launch?
Oh, I think it's a wuss. That roof is so small.
Oh man, that's what
Top
she said.
one.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so Mr. Sturelli, you think that yours is gonna go 200 feet?
Yeah, man.
200 feet up in the air?
Yeah.
60 PSI?
Yeah, bro.
Alright, thank you for speaking with us, Mr. Sturelli.
No problem.
No, my God. 3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna cut that out of the video. What end of the video?
Okay.
It needs to keep your head away from the top.
Now?
Hey, we're 80. Wait. Okay.
This is scary. Yeah.
Oh, and just do it!
One. No.
It's 245. It's not
Yes.
45.
Holy crap.
Ready?
almost at 80. 3, 2, 1.